For today's video, it's going to be a quick one. I'm going to be doing a battery change on the key fob here. This is the early 3rd gen and late 2nd gen style key fob. And so I went with some Energizer 2016 batteries. These should fit. You do need 2 of them and a flathead screwdriver. That's all you really need. All right, here we go. We've got our screwdriver. You'll see a little slot on the side here. I think the skinnier of a screwdriver tip you have, the better. But this seems to work. This is more of a medium-sized screwdriver, and just got to pry it open here, split this into 2 halves. There we go. Just like that. Okay, here's your batteries. Notice how the plus side is facing towards you. These batteries have been in here forever, and they are still good. I'm doing this preventatively. Okay. So once again, plus side up. Energizer's a good battery brand. Then you pop this thing right back together. You can just do this by hand. Yep, I just locked my door. Unlock. Perfect. Here we go. Let me show y'all. Works. So that's going to be it for this video. My actual reason for doing this was that something's up with my security system. If I use the key to unlock the door, it may set the alarm off. So I figured, well, if those batteries die, I could be in a little bit of a embarrassing situation. So decided to put some new batteries in there and not have to worry about it. So I will see y'all in the next video.